play music or other sounds automatically when the slide appears, right? There are several options you can use for sounds, right? One is actually you can use sounds in different way, basically two ways, right? One is you can simply insert sound file here from audio on my PC. Then you can select your sound file, right? If you have, then you can click insert. Right? You can see sound file inserted here, right? And just check it. So then you can see the audio tools activated. Under that, you can see there are two tabs: audio tools, under that format and playback. Right. Under format, there are object formatting things. I think this is not important to the sound file, but under playback, there are some controllers to use. Right. You can see some trim audio. This is important feature. If you have some sound file, but you don't want some parts, so then you can clip it. Right? And you can add some fading in, fading out styles there, right? And volume control. You can use some low, medium, high, and like that, right? And also you can see the play across slides. This feature actually, as you can use this sound file as a background, right, for all slides. And if you click this one, loop until stop, that means the sound file continue until you stop. Right? Repeat. If it is a small file, you can repeat using this feature. Right? Use this one. This is going to be play until you end of your presentation. Right? You can see and this one start. That means you can see in click sequence or automatically or when click on. Right? There are three options. If you have some animations with other objects, right? So then according to that click sequence, you can play this. Or if you want to play automatically with the slide, you can click this one. Right? If you select this one automatically and play across slides, and loop until stop. So then this file will be played until you stop the presentation, right? Just you can see in show mode. This started playing. You can see I go to second slides. Until you stop this presentation, it's going to be played. It's a background music. That is what you need to understand. If you want some music as a background, you can insert file and select these features, right? And also, that is the basic feature. And to start sound file, you can select some controls there. You can select automatically or mouse click, right? And play in background also. That's similar. That one is if you click play across slides and also play in background, right? Which is similar commands. And also you can use this with different options using animations, right? You can use some animation options to this sound file, right? For that you can just select animation, right? There you can see the play. You can click this one, right? Then you can see the sound animation options there. Right? There you can see first you can get the animation frame, right? Then you can see I do this one, right? This is sound file. You click play, then you can see animation is added here. Then you can control these animations as you normally do for other objects, right? Normally do other objects. Then you can see some timing options. Right? If you want some delay to play this sound, you can add some delay time there. Right? Click OK like that, right? Then this is going to play after 3 seconds, like that, right? Right, then I will remove it. Right, this slide explains about that, right? If you want some animations, you can add it, right? In inserting videos, this is also similar as a sound file. If you have video files, you can insert, and also you can use some controllers. It's like some. Right, this is actually a OBS recorded video file, right? Okay. Right, okay. Right, now you can see once you inserted video file, you can see now video tools activate. Under that you can see format, playback. There are 2 tabs, just like sound file, right? There are format basic controls there, right? And even you can select some video style, frames, and everything there, right? And under playback, you can use other different controls there. Even like sound, you can trim video, you can remove some parts and fade in, fade out, right? And click sequence, so automatically play full screen, hide while not playing, like that, right? Group and list of all the controls there, right? You can use these features to video file, right? Next one, hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, that is link, can link an object to another object, right? For example, if you want to add a link to this image, right? You can use hyperlinks, and then you can link to another object. Another object may be another image, another slide, another file, whatever, another web page, email, like that, right? So many things you can link. Even you can use hyperlinks to insert to object or to a text, right? For that, you have to select the text or shape or picture that you want to use as a hyperlink, right? Then you can go insert, select hyperlink, right? For example, I will insert a hyperlink to this object, right? This object. So then you need to select the object. Then you can go insert, select. Once you click that link, you can see link to. Under link to, there are several options. You can see existing file or web page, right? Once you selected that one, you can see different things there. Under existing file or web page, then you can see current folder, browse page, recent files, right? Several things there. Or maybe place in this document. That means you are going to link within this document. That means within your presentation, right? If you select this one, you can see select pages, like all these slides there, right? First, last, next, previous, and also with slide numbers, right? You can, for example, I will add a link to first slide, right? This is slide number 1. Then you can click OK, right? This is actually helping mode. I don't want that, right? Now you can see this is hyperlink activated, right? Now you can see the mouse pointer change to when I move to the object, right? So then if you click this, you can go to the first slide. Right? It's the first slide, right? For different purposes, you can use this hyperlink within your document, right? Within your document. But if you use that hyperlink to go within your slides, right? So then you can use another hyperlink to come back, right? For example, this is slide number 29, right? So then I added hyperlink to the first slide, right? So then you need to go to the first slide and add another hyperlink to go to the 29. Right? For that you can use under insert, under shapes. Here you can see the bottom line. There you can see action buttons. You can use this action button to create another hyperlink to that original slide, because you come to this slide from 29. Right? You can use this one, or maybe just you can insert a shape like this. It's a shape. Then you can use this shape and insert a hyperlink. Right? And click link, select paste in this document, and then you can select your slide. It came here from 29. Right? Click copy. Right? Then you can see. Once you come here, then you can click this one to go to this slide. Right? If you use these hyperlinks within your slides, you can. You need to create another coming back hyperlink. Right? If you want to explain something, just you can click this and go there. You can explain it. Then you can click this and come back. Right? So then you can go to another slide. Right? That is but important, right? Or maybe you can use this link or create new document. Right? Maybe you can create new document, or maybe you can select existing file. Right? Maybe you can. I will select this Word file, right? And click this. Right? So then what will happen, if you want to explain something using this hyperlink, I can click hyperlink, then you can open that Word file. Right? You can see the Word file is open. Right? You can explain something about relating to that slide. So then you can close this and directly come to your presentation. Right? Similarly, you can use other things. Even you can link to a web page. If you want to display some web page during your presentation, you can select web page. Right? You can see current folder, browse pages. You can see different pages and recent files. Right? Or you can use this one to go within your slides, within your presentation, or create new document. Or you can, if you want to go to email, you can select this one and type email address. Right? These are the features under link or hyperlinks. Right? Link to a place in document, new document, or email address. Right? This is what I explained. Right, next one, animations. Animations also important because once I explain you about sound files, you can insert sounds in two ways. One is using sound file, another is using animations. Right? When you use animations, even you can use sounds. Right? Actually, animation can help make a PowerPoint presentation more dynamic. Right? You can enhance the appearance, attractiveness, right, using animations, and help make information more memorable. Right? The most common type of animation effects include entrances and exits. Right? There are more options. I will explain. Right? This is actually very easy. Only thing, just you select the object or text. Then you can go animations and apply. Right? Here I show you using these images, right? This picture. If you want to add animations, simply go animations. Right? So now I have not selected any object here. Right? You can see no text selected, no object selected. Right? You can see under animations there. All options are deactivated. right? But if you select one object, then you can see this is activated. Then you can apply. Under animations, you can see I simply select this object, right? This object. Then you can see under animations, you can see the more, you can click more, you can see different categories, right? So this is entrance. That means you can apply animation to enter to this object to the slide. That is we call entrance. And second category is emphasis. You can emphasize image or text or something like that, right? You can emphasize. And also you can add exit animation, right? Exit animation, and also you can add some motion parts, motions, right? Several things you can add, right? Simply you can add entrance animation. I will select like this one. You can see this is previewed automatically, right? So once you inserted that to add or apply animation, you can see on the animation pane, you can see that there are two animations there. I think this is also, yeah, this one also animated previously, right? I will remove it first. Anytime you can remove the animation, right? You can see within animation pane, right? If you can't see this in your application, simply click this one, right? Now you can see, you can't see this, then you can click animation pane, right? So then this is appeared here. Then you can control or this animation, right? You can see it is there. Simply click here. There you can see several options there. Simply select effect options. There you can see effects and timing. Right? To apply here the entrance animation, draw and turn, right? Draw and turn. So then you can see under effects, if you want, you can apply some sounds. Right? If you want, you can apply some sounds. Control volume also. Right? And after animation, nothing do here, just keep it as it is and type. There you can see start on click, or you can select with previous or after previous. Right? If you have different animations, animated objects, you can select this one, right? With previous. That is, this is going to be animated with the previous animation, right? But here only one already selected, so then I will select click on click. If you want, you can set some delay time and duration to animate, right? 1 second. And if you want to repeat the animation, you can click here and select how many times to repeat, or 2, 3, 4 like that, or until next click, or until end of the slide. Right? You can select these things to animate. Right? Normally, entrance animation we don't repeat it. Right? No need to repeat. For example, keep this as none and click OK. Right? Then when you go to show mode, you can see all these things not animated. Here the object animated with on click. If you click, is gone, right? But no any other animations. No emphasis, no exit, no motion, only entrance animation, right? But if you want to emphasize this image, or maybe text, right? If you want to emphasize, you can add another animation called emphasis, right? For that, you need to go with add animation, right? Because you have already added one. If you select another one, the system removed the first one and added the second one, right? If you want to keep that entrance and also emphasize, then you can go add animation. Then select your emphasis, what you need, right? Maybe I select, right? File that, right? remove this one. Now you can see I added first entrance animation and then second emphasis, right? Now you can see there are two animations. First one, second one. Right? First one, that is entrance. Second one, emphasis. If you want to control this one, select this one and select this. Right? So then you can go effect options. There you can see different things there. Similarly, you can, if you want to emphasize this within your slide, maybe you can select this with previous, because we have another one. And then no delay time, duration, 1 second, that is very fast. Maybe I will reduce to 3 seconds and repeat. I will select until end of the slide. Right? You can use this option for emphasizing, right? So then let's look it. This is show mode. I click first one, come, and second one also started with previous. Now this is emphasizing until to next slide, right? This is how you control that time. Right? This is actually a object animation. Also, you can use text boxes, placeholder. Then you can click animation. Right? Now you can see if you select that one, animation added. Right? Now you can see only one object without animation. Other objects have animation. That is why it's not appearing. When you click it, you can see that this is first one, and secondly, I added text animation. You can see first part came to, and then second, right? But you can control that one also. For example, if you have some the list like this, this is your one title. Then under that you have subtitles, right? Here also one and subtitle, right? So this is also you can control using. Let's go to effect options. Here you can see effects, timing, and text animation. Another new one, because this is going to be applied for text. Right? So then you can select text animation. There you can see group text by first level paragraphs, or you can select second level, third level, fourth level, like that, right? But here we have only 2 levels. Then you can see second level paragraphs. Right? Now let's see how it appears. Click. Right now you can see the title appeared, then subtitles. Right? If you want that animate text one by one, you can have to apply animation. Then you can go options. Then you can go text animation. Then select levels. Right? That is what you need to do. Right? Even if you want to highlight some text, then you can add emphasis. Right? And also, if you want to animate with motion, you can select motion. Right? Motion parts. Once you select, there are several motion parts, right? Maybe you want some arc, right? Okay. Let's see now what happened. You can see animation. This is the last one, right? Motion. You can see text animated, then this object animated, but here is still animating, right? That is, we have added there the second emphasis animation, right? Now we can, I think it's clear now, right? And that is about object and text animations, right? And next one, this is new feature. 3D object animations. Right? You can remember I explained about 3D objects. This is not available in the older version, right? This old version is not available, right? But in new version, we have 3D objects. You can insert what online. Right? For example, I will insert some animal. This. Right, it is inserted. So then you can see, select animations. You can see there are some 3D object animations. You can see 3D, right? These are 3D object animations, right? Select one, right? You can see turn turbo, right? That is one animation. Once you have applied one, there are some controls, right? Effect options there. You can see already selected right, full spin, and wave center. Right? You can see 3 effects already applied, right? Or maybe you can change this, right? You can change. Maybe I will change animation to this one, right? Jump and turn, right? Like that, right? So then you can change that effects also, right? You can see the effects also different with the animation. With different animations, we have different effects, right? Then you can use controllers there. Timing. You can see on click, maybe you can use this previous, that is automatically. Duration, maybe you can repeat like this. Let's see. Right? You can use these animations. Right? If you are very creative, you can use these features and create some PowerPoint slides, and also you can create some videos, right? You can create some videos because the feature is there. You can save as a video, right?